How to sync messages from iPhone to Mac. This guide aims to address the situation in which users find themselves wishing to keep their SMS conversations in sync across their iPhones and Macs. Now, watch on for more details. Part 1. How to sync iPhone messages to Mac by forwarding messages. 1. iPhone. Settings, Messages, Send and Receive. 2. Mac Messages App Preferences, Imsage, same Appleid. 3. iPhone, Settings, Messages, Text Message Forwarding. 4. Choose Mac, Receive Messages on Mac. Part 2. How to sync messages from iPhone to MacBook via iTunes. 1. Connect iPhone to Mac via Lightning cable. 2. Open iTunes, select your iPhone. 3. Go to Summary, check this computer. 4. Click Backup Now to save Imsages or text messages. 5. View transferred messages in Mac's Messages app. Part 3. How to sync Imsages from iPhone to Mac via iCloud. 1. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi network. 2. Access the Settings app on your iPhone. 3. Tap your Apple ID profile. 4. Locate and select iCloud to find messages. 5. Enable iCloud sync for Imsages. 6. Connect Mac to Wi-Fi. 7. Open Messages, choose Preferences, and navigate to the Accounts tab. 8. Tick Enable Messages in iCloud. 9. If prompted, sign in using your Apple ID credentials to activate iCloud syncing for Imsages. Part 4. How to sync messages from iPhone to Mac efficiently. Mobikin Assistant for iOS provides a seamless solution to transfer messages and other files between these two platforms. It comes equipped with numerous features that enable syncing, backing up, restoring, and managing of iOS data. How to link and sync your iPhone messages to your Mac with Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your Mac and run the program. Step 2. View and handpick your wanted messages. Step 3. Sync messages from iPhone to Mac.